These dips are so simple and easy to make that anyone can do it. Let's see how they're done. You will need frozen edamame. I have microwaved them for 1 minute and then drained the water. Black beans, they're canned. Chickpeas, and I'm making two dips with chickpeas, so that's why I have them in two different bowls. Beet, red pepper, fresh lemon juice, salt, black pepper, garlic, and tahini. All three recipe cards will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. For the first recipe, we will roughly chop the red pepper. Now in a chopper, add 1 cup of chickpeas, your roughly chopped red pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, juice from half lemon, add half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and then we will add about 2 teaspoons of tahini. Blend it all together until it becomes a smooth paste. At this point, check for your seasoning. I added a little bit of more salt and black pepper and a tiny bit of more tahini. Give it a good mix again in the blender. And your dip is ready to be served. For dip number 2, you will need black beans, beets, lemon, garlic, pepper, salt, and tahini. In a chopper, add your black beans. I'm using canned beans, and 1 small beet and beet juice. Squeeze juice from half lemon. Add 2 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of tahini. Blend it all together until it becomes a smooth paste. This dip consistency will be a little thicker. Give it a good mix and check for seasoning. I'm going to add a bit more of lemon juice to the dip. A tiny bit more of salt and pepper. Check your seasonings to your taste. Give it a good mix again. And your dip number 2 is ready to be served. For dip number 3, you will need chickpeas, edamame, tahini, salt, black pepper, garlic, and juice from half lemon. In a chopper, add the chickpeas, edamame beans, pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, and juice from half lemon. Two teaspoons of tahini, chop everything together first. This dip will have a thicker consistency, so we will gradually add water to adjust the thickness. Add 2 more teaspoons of tahini and give it a good mix again. Once everything is roughly blended, we will add about a teaspoon of water and we will blend this mixture again. After adding the water, you will see that the mixture will start to get smooth. This still is very thick for a dip, so we will add a tiny bit of more water and we will blend this mixture again. Once you get the desired consistency, check for seasoning, and your dip number 3 is ready to be served. You can serve these dips with pita chips or any kind of veggies. These dips can also be used as a spread for your sandwiches. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below.